Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Arithmetic Lesson 153. Today we're going to be doing some more review, some geometry, and reviewing your homework. So let's start out with an equation. N minus 3 equals 8 plus 5. It's a pretty easy one. Go ahead and work the side without the letter. 8 plus 5 is 13. And then try to get the n by itself. To do that, you do the opposite. N minus 3 plus 3. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So 13 plus 3 is 16, n equals 16. Rewrite the problem to check. Everywhere you see the n, you put 16. 13, 8 plus 5 is 13, and 16 minus 3 equals 13. Very good. All right, this was on your homework yesterday. It said actually 2 days ago, because yesterday you had a test. It says draw a geometric shape, parallelogram. Do you remember? Good. If you drew something like this, you'd be correct. Again, parallelogram has two sets of parallel lines. How about square? All four sides are the same length. They all have right angles. Trapezoid, they have one set of parallel lines, one set. Rhombus, remember the rhombus does not have 90-degree angles, but they are all four sides the same equal length. Rectangle has two sets of parallel lines, but only two lines are the same length and the other two lines are the same length. Making change from $5. Take $5 and count backwards. Start to get from $3.99 to $5. So you'd have 1 penny to get you to $4 and $1 to get you to $5. Good. So how about $4.63? First, you need 2 pennies to get you to 65 cents. Then you want to get a dime to get you to 75 cents. A quarter to get you to $5. $2.07. First, we got to get to 10 cents, so you have 3 pennies. Then you get a nickel to get to 15 cents. A dime to get to 25 cents. Now we're up to $2.25. And then 3 quarters to get to $3, and then $2 to get to $5. All right, last one here, $1.13. We need 2 pennies. That's $1.15, $1.25, $2, because if you have 3 quarters, it's 75 cents. So $2, and then how many dollar bills? $3 bills. Very good. Boys and girls, check your answers. Make sure that your paper looks like mine. And then let's move on. Hopefully you got all those answers correct. All right, let's reduce to lowest terms. 8 over 40. What are we going to divide by? 4, top and bottom. And what do you get? Good, 1/5. Actually, look at that. We divided by 8. I'm sorry, I told you the wrong answer. Look at that. So we're going to divide by 8 because 8 is higher than 4. So you want to get the greatest common factor, the GCF. 6/8. What are you going to divide by? 2. And 2 divided on the top and the bottom? Good. 3/4. How about 15 over 65? Okay. What are you dividing by? Good. 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 65 divided by 5, 13. Okay, 24 and 66. What are you dividing by? 6, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. 66 divided by 6, 11. Very good. 8 over 56. Divided by 8. And 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 56 divided by 8 is 7. 36 over 72. Now, this is just like the first one. We need to find the largest, the greatest common factor. Now, some of us would say 2. Yeah, 2 would work, but it's not the greatest. How about 6? 6 would work. How about 12? 12 would work. Something bigger. 36, very good. Nice job. 36 divided by 36 is 1, and 72 divided by 36, 2. Very good, 1/2. 9 over 72, divide by 9, 1/8. 14 over 49. Awesome. You're going to divide by 7. 14 divided by 2 is, so 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. Excellent job. All right. How about these problems? 1/5 of 61. Do you remember what you have to do on this problem? You need to divide 61 by 5. It's not going to come out evenly. 61 by 5, you get 12. 12 times 5 is 60. And how many is left over? 1. And what do we put as the denominator? 5. Good. 1/7 of 69. 69 divided by 7. 9, right? And 9 times 7 is 63. So how many are left over? 6. And what do we put it as a denominator? 7. Excellent. One more. 1/8 of 70. 70 divided by 8. Excuse me. Awesome. 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 70, how many are left over? 70 take away 64. 6. And what's my denominator? 8. Can I leave my answer this way? No, I cannot. You must reduce. If you can reduce, you must reduce. So the 8 stays the same. And 6 over 8, what does that reduce to? What are you going to divide by? 6 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2 is 3 over 4. That's your final answer. Good. All right, let's change a whole number to a mixed number. Change to a whole or mixed number. So this is an improper fraction. Say improper fraction. The top is larger than the bottom. So we're going to divide 63 divided by 9. Awesome. 7. 58 divided by 5. 5 goes into 58. How many times? 11. And how many are left over? 3. And what's my denominator? 5. Excellent. 11 over 3. 3 and 2/3. Very good. 43 over 6. 7. And how many left over? 1. 6. Very good. 32 over 2. Awesome. 16 is your answer. 16 over 4. Nice and quick. 4 is right. 27 over 8. Good. 3. And how many left over? Good. 3. And what's my denominator? 8. Awesome. Last one. 71 over 7. 10. And how many are left over? 1/7. Very, very nice. We are going to finish your review sheet, boys and girls, page 275 and 276. And have a wonderful day. We will see you back next week. You have the weekend off again. Make sure that you are finishing up all your work and handing it all in through Google Classroom. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.